In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Cloud account without adding a credit card, and how you can start exploring Google Cloud services right away. A lot of people think you must enter payment details before accessing anything, but there's actually a simple way to get started without immediately adding a card. I'll walk you through the exact steps. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. Normally, when you try to sign up for Google Cloud the standard way, Google prompts you to set up a billing account and enter your credit card information. This is because Google Cloud is a paid service once you move beyond free limits. However, many features inside Google Cloud can still be explored without immediately attaching a payment method, especially if you access it the right way. So here's what you need to do. Open your browser and go directly to console.cloud.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one first, but you do not need to add a credit card just to create a standard Google account. Once you're inside console.cloud.google.com, you'll be taken to the Google Cloud Console dashboard. Depending on your region and account status, you may still see prompts encouraging you to activate billing. For now, skip those prompts if possible and focus on creating a project. At the top of the screen, click on the Project dropdown, then click on New Project. Give your project a name. This can be anything you like, such as Test Project or My First Cloud Project. If it asks you to select an organization, you can leave it as default if you're using a personal account. Then click Create. After a few seconds, your new project will be ready. Now you can explore various parts of Google Cloud from the navigation menu on the left-hand side. You'll be able to browse services like Cloud Functions, APIs and Services, IAM and Admin, Cloud Storage, and more. Some services may require billing to actually deploy resources, but you can still view configurations, dashboards, documentation, and settings without adding a credit card immediately. In some cases, Google may offer you a free trial. If you're eligible, you might see an option for free trial credits. These free credits allow you to test many Google Cloud services for a limited time without being charged, as long as you stay within the free trial limits. Keep in mind that activating the official free trial typically requires adding a payment method, but simply accessing the console and creating a project does not always require that step up front. It's important to understand that while you can explore the console without a credit card, actually deploying billable resources like virtual machines or large storage buckets may eventually require billing to be enabled. So this method is best if your goal is learning the interface, exploring services, working with APIs that have free tiers, or preparing configurations before fully committing. If at any point Google forces a billing setup screen and won't let you proceed, that means the specific feature you're trying to use requires an active billing account. In that case, you would need to decide whether to continue with a payment method or stick to the areas that remain accessible. So to quickly recap, go directly to console.cloud.google.com, sign in with your Google account, create a new project from the project dropdown, and start exploring the available services. This lets you access much of the Google Cloud environment without immediately entering credit card details. I hope this clears up the confusion and helps you get started with Google Cloud the right way. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.